Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make your CapCut video settings to get a high definitions video results. So here I've already on the CapCut apps, and what you need to do is just finish your edit first, and before exporting you can just click on adjust at the bottom, and here you can just increase the contrast and also the sharpness of your video to your liking. Okay, I'm going to go with that and add a little bit of grain effect like this. Click on a check icon. Now before you export the clip, click on the box at the top to adjust the setting export. So here for the resolution, choose the 1080p, and then the frame rate, lower it to 30, and make sure that the code rate is on the recommended options. And after that you can just click on export and you'll get the high definition video. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on a thanks, like, and comment if you have any questions. Bye.